Welcome to the Investor Agent program. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use the Investor Agent dashboard. Invite new clients, investor agents, and preferred professionals, and how to inquire about deals on our platform. Let's get started. How to use Investor Agent dashboard. Step 1. Go to Settings and select Investor Agent. First, log into your Deal Connect account. On the main dashboard, click on Settings in the bottom right corner. Now, select Investor Agent from the list of options. Step 2. Invite new clients. To invite new clients to the platform, click on Invite New Investor. Type in their name and email address, or you can share your unique referral link. Step 3. Invite other investor agents. To invite other investor agents, click on Invite Realtor. Enter their name and email address, or share your unique referral link. Step 4. Invite preferred professionals. To invite preferred professionals, click on Invite Preferred Partner. Enter their name and email address, or share your unique referral link. Inquiring about deals. Step 1. Go to Marketplace and filter. To inquire about deals, navigate to the Marketplace section. Click the Filter button and select Investor Agent Marketplace to narrow down your search. Step 2. Review deal and inquire. Browse through the available deals. When you find one you're interested in, click Inquiry. An Investor Agent agreement will pop up. Read through the agreement and accept the terms to move forward. Step 3. Enter details and message seller. Enter your details and type a message to the seller to begin the inquiry process. Click Send Inquiry to submit your interest. And that's it! You now know how to use the Investor Agent dashboard, invite new clients, investor agents, and preferred professionals, and how to inquire about deals. We hope this tutorial helps you maximize your opportunities with the Investor Agent program. Thank you for watching and happy investing.